Hello everybody, hope everyone doing great. Today I'm going to make this 5-minute pasta with you. It's delicious and so yummy and gorgeous as you see. Let's get started with the ingredients. Yum 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 yum. So good. And it's vegan, you guys. Vegan. Okay, let's start with ingredients. Most of my stuff from Aldi or Sprouts. As you see here, we have tomato, spinach, onion, olives, and garlic, mushroom. And this spaghetti is whole wheat. It's healthy, it's nice. It's from Aldi. And also we have here the plant-based sausage. And I have 1 tablespoon from the vegetables bouillon. So we have all this beautiful ingredients in one pan, and let's get started. We have it now on medium heat. I'm gonna put some olive oil, my olive oil from Sprouts, and we will put hot water. We need to cover all this amazing ingredients with hot water. We have to cover the macaroni with hot water. So as you see, I'm trying to see if I need more water. I think I need more water. I will add hot water, not warm, not cold. It's hot. It should be hot water. And as you see, now it's beautiful. I need more water. I will add more. And it's delicious. Tell me guys in the comment below what other food ideas and recipes that you would like to see in my channel. And here, let's put the spices. Now I have the vegetables bouillon, and I have the red pepper flakes, and also of course I'll add salt and pepper. More hot water. As you see the smoke, it's hot, and I will leave it to like 11 minutes, and it will be so nice, so moist, so yummy. It's so easy. It's only one pan, no cleaning, no dishes. If you're lazy, you can do this. It's so easy. Everything, protein, vegetables, carbs, everything in one pan. And it tastes delicious. So please, if you still not subscribed to my channel, please go to now and subscribe and share and like and comment and support my channel, love my channel, and love me too. I love you guys so much. I'm really happy that I'm making video for you guys, and I hope that you like my videos and my recipe, and wait for more and more amazing video. Love you all, and please enjoy this meal with me. I really hope that I can give you some from the screen. And of course guys, this macaroni, as I said, it's vegan, it's easy, but you can add whatever protein you want. You can add chicken, you can add sausage, you can add meat. Yeah, you can eat anything with it. You can add shrimp with it. That will be nice too. So whatever you want to add, it's your choice. Whatever you like, you can do. This cheese, it's also plant-based from Sprouts. I love it. I can add some on my plate. I can add some greens, maybe cherry tomatoes if you have some. It will be colorful, nice, or some olive, healthy. And that's it for today. And we'll see you very soon with a new videos, new ideas soon. I love you guys. Please stay safe. Please eat healthy. See you next time.